Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change eye color in Photoshop. Ready for this? Let's go start it. At first, click the adjustment icon and choose the hue saturation adjustment layer. Now drag the hue slider. It changes the color of entire image, which is not very good. Then press Ctrl or Command I for invert. Now select the brush tool and make sure that foreground color will be white. Also, I can select soft round picture opacity brush. Now just painting over the eyes. Now of course we have got some very green eyes. If you want to another color to eyes, then adjustment layer we have double click. Just select hue for change color and increase the saturation. If you want to something like this, you can preview this on and off with the eyes icon button. Here is the before, here is the after. Don't forget subscribe my channel with like, share and comment.